Hi everybody. Well, as you can see, I have little Amaya out. Not so little. Certainly growing and quite fast actually. Amaya is a brilliant little eater, but hasn't necessarily been the most brilliant when it comes to being a girl that actually likes to come out and be out and about. She is just not one of those girls. But I still have to go in and I still have to get Amaya out and let her know that everything's good. So it feels like I am in a permanent state of the beginning. Every time I go in and get Amaya out, she can be a little bit standoffish with me and tends to not necessarily bite me, but certainly at times I think if I were to keep going and just force my hand in there, there is every possibility that she would possibly give me a nip. She's not what I consider to be my most calmest of my snakes, even though I have spent a reasonable amount of time with Amaya. She is certainly nowhere near as flighty as she used to be when I go in to get her, and she's very often very much at that door letting me know, oh, can't have that, darling, that she would really like to come out. But the moment I open the door, off she goes. So it feels like I'm in a permanent state of the beginning with Amaya, and I just keep on going and going and going until she understands, and she will eventually understand, even though it's taking her longer, that everything is okay. Because we really do need to be forever patient with them. It's up to us to be patient and not give in with them either. You know, some people might see it as I'm stressing her out by forcing her to come on out. I don't want it to be that way, and what I know is by ignoring her and just leaving her be is not the answer either to developing to where she will be comfortable with coming on out and being out with me. So this really is for everybody who thinks that, you know, my snake doesn't want to come out. My snake is uncomfortable coming out. I'm stressing my snake. In the end, you won't be stressing your snake. Amaya is just a girl that is always on the go. She never stays still. It's not about her going, don't you touch me, you stay away from me, you leave me alone, I don't want to be near you. That is not what Amaya is doing. Carpet pythons are extremely curious, but there are also ones that are not as confident as what other ones are. Ones that are just on the go and never stop. She doesn't, when I touch her, turn around. She doesn't flinch. She isn't like afraid of me. She's just curious. She also knows her home is just right there as well. And I'll not give up on bringing her out. I will not give up on her being out of her enclosure. I know what she wants to do. I know exactly what this girl wants to do, and that is she wants to go and she wants to explore. And I'm sorry if the camera's all over the place. It is so hard to keep up with Amaya and where the camera's at the same time. I know she wants to get down. I know she wants to go. And she does just want to explore. And this is pretty much every time I get Amaya out. I can't force her to stay still. I can't make her stay still. That's not going to work. That is going to do way more harm than good with Amaya. But just letting her know boundaries. You can't go over onto the floor. You can't go up under there. You can't touch this. You know, it's all a learning process. And because she spends so much time just moving around and trying to check things out, I'm busy with her. I'm just busy bringing her back. I find it very difficult to relax with this girl. As you can see, she has a determination that is way more than my Lily. Absolutely way more than Lily does. And yes, you can climb up onto the camera, which is exactly what she's doing right now. As all my guys actually do. But maybe you can get to see just how pretty she is. And honestly, she does not like the bright lights, guys. This girl hates bright lights, and I can't film her in the dark. It just doesn't work. So a little bit of the bright lights is certainly not going to hurt Amaya right now. So in the beginning, this is how they can be for you. They can be like this for you for a couple of years, even longer. Don't give up. Don't give up. She's not being defensive. She's not in any way telling me, I don't want you to touch me. What she's saying is, can't I go? Can't I just go and do what I want to do? She doesn't understand danger. She doesn't understand that she can get hurt, that if she goes under something, then I'm stuck trying to find her. And I don't want to be doing that today, personally. Me just pulling her back and letting her know, I love you being out, sweetie, but there are rules to being out. And to understand, I'm not going to hurt her. And I think she knows I'm not going to hurt her. You know, we've developed that with each other a long time ago. But patience. And just keep going. And keep going. And keep doing. And keep trying. Just do not ever give up on them. Oh, okay, sweet. I think she's going to go and hide in one of her hide boxes. And sometimes guys get their hide box out. Let them go into their hide box. Won't hurt. Won't hurt at all. They're out. They know they're out. They know you're there. Bring one out. Let it be their safe zone to run off to if that's what they want to do. Because I know, give it 5 minutes or so, that little head is going to come poking out again, because the curiosity is going to get the better of her. Anyway guys, a little bit of Amaya today. So you take care of yourself and your family and your friends and all your animals. But your snakes, take care of your snakes.